Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can post Instagram stories from your laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Instagram.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, right-click on the blank canvas and select Inspect from the menu that appears. A new side panel will now appear on your screen. Simply click on the laptop and mobile icon at the top of the panel and reload the web page. This will change the web interface to that of a mobile phone. Now, click on your profile icon and then select the image you would like to upload to your story. Once selected, click on the Add to Story button and the picture will be uploaded. In order to get back to the web interface, click on the same icon again and reload the page. So that's basically how you can post Instagram stories from your laptop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.